Butterfly is a totem for the what people they can see.
So I'm Gareth Wise. I'm an ethnobotanist that's been working in the Yirrkala region for the last 12 years. Okay. So Intsia Bijuga is a plant that's found across the Indo-Pacific region, but in the Northern Territory it's only found in one location, which is Rocky Bay, just near Yirrkala. It grows in the monsoon forests and it's surrounded by swampland. However, it is threatened by several factors in that the bauxite mine is very close to it. There's threat from fires. Some of the trees show previous fire damage. And also with climate change, the sea level rise that's occurring, all threaten the species. In the same location in 1988, the rare Gove Crow Butterfly was found, and it's only found now in 7 locations across the Gove Peninsula. It's also threatened by similar factors, the habitat loss due to rising sea levels and fire as well.
My name is Dhimurru. I'm the senior ranger at Dhimurru. We manage all the wreck areas, put up fence lines to stop buffaloes and people driving through the area.